Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It is all about Christian Louboutin Beauty and their new Abracadabra La Palette collection. So I'm gonna try out one of their new eyeshadow palettes, one of their face palettes. We're gonna check out the case I got. I'm gonna try out a new for me lipstick that's not new for them, and we're gonna pull this face together. So if you wanna see how it all came together and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we jump into this really exciting video, I have to first talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I'm wearing our mauve Boho head wrap. This color, the background, it's giving me vacation vibes, okay? My mind has been on vacation for a while my body has not, because of everything that's going on in the world. I need a vacation. And anyway, it's a long piece of stretchy fabric. Fashion it into any style you want. They come in lots of colors. There's a really cool sheen on here to give a really sophisticated finish. This is a fun product for us because I believe in everything we put out, or I wouldn't put it out. But you never know how things are gonna be received. And these Boho head wraps are such a customer favorite. They really love them, and we get the coolest reviews on them. And from them, I know they're perfect for exercise. They're perfect for hanging out with friends or date night. They're perfect to dress up or dress down on days you just don't want to do your hair or don't have the inclination to do your hair. So they're really multi-purpose products. I love them. I use them different ways, and I'm in them all the time. So if you want to check out any of our Boho head wraps, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop, and you can, the links will be in the description below. Okay, so this is a very exciting video. This Christian Louboutin. First of all, I get to, it's been a while since I've been spitting around my French words, okay, in a video. So I'll be saying Louboutin a lot, okay? And he is a man, a designer who I've admired for quite a long time. I've seen the documentaries. I followed his career from really early on in his artistry, and I just love what he has done and what he continues to do. And so I'm just a really big fan of his. He has a really interesting life story, and I just love the artistry. So when Christian Louboutin Beauty came out, I knew it was a matter of when, not if. And now was as good a time as any to jump into the world of Christian Louboutin Beauty, okay? With the launch of their Abracadabra La Palette collection. I am so excited. So let's look at the different things, and then we're gonna get things on the face. Okay, so we're gonna start with the case. This is the box. Now, these are refillable products, which is super exciting, and the case comes in this box, and then you have to buy this separately, and you buy the palettes separately. I'll show you those in a second. So everything is housed in one of their red Louboutin boxes. Okay, so let's open this up. Beautiful. Inside is the spiked case. I will give you a closer look in a second. Really cool spiked case here. Then down here, I'll show you this too. It's a little pin to help us get the palettes in and out of the case. This one is called Noir Louboutin, the black one, and there is a Rouge Louboutin, so you can choose between the red case or the black case. This is its close up. How beautiful are these spikes? Really cool design. And I chose the black case because I love the contrast with the red back, which says Louboutin. Their signature, you can also see those on the shoes. So it's just a beautiful, well thought out packaging, extremely luxurious, and it's a keeper for sure. The box, obviously the case, and I may get the red one at some point. There is a spike here. You don't press it or anything. You just like hold your thumb down to then pick up the magnetic top. And inside it says, from Christian with love. Okay, nice little touch inside the case. So if I haven't mentioned it, the name of this collection is the Abracadabra La Palette collection. So the refills, first there are 3 eyeshadow palettes and 3 face palettes. I got one so far. I was gonna get a second one, but I said, let me see how these perform, and then I can get another one later, because these swatches and the photos that came out, everything looks so silky and beautiful. And so I wanted to try it first, and then you can always go back for more, right? So they come in this this plastic case, the refill that says Christian Louboutin on the front. And you open them up, and inside are these beauts. I got Bronze Eloise as the first one. I loved it because they're bronzy colors, but there's also like a rose color, so I had some options there. These look so beautiful and silky. That's the only way I can say it. Really excited to get this. I'm really excited to get this on the eyes. There's a little instructional card that comes with the palettes to tell you how to get it in. But oh, and did I show you there's a mirror here too. There's a really nice looking mirror here. It's as simple as, I mean, honestly, there you go. Magnetic, it's in there, we're good to go. Inside, you see the spikes. We got the product inside. And now we're going to swatch and talk about these shadows. I did want to mention really quickly the design and placement on these three shadows because it is beautiful, really, really cool. And I do like how they place them. Here are the swatches. They swatch really, really beautifully, really nicely. That matte is like a creamy matte, which I really appreciate. They're pigmented, very, very pretty. I'm excited and I want to see what kind of look I can come up with. And I may end up getting the rose palette too. There's one with a rose story that the last second I changed to the bronze, but I may go back and get the rose. So yeah, I'm excited. So here they are, okay? Let's get them on the eyes. Oh, I absolutely love how these shadows performed. Really, really loved. I did use all 6 for the video. Full disclosure, yellow goldy colors is not my favorite color in the world, but I put it in the center of the lid and I think it looks really nice like that. It's such a powerful color. A little bit goes a long way, but the bronze shades and the rose and the lighter gold and the, you know, brow bone and then that brown matte just to smoke out the, I really loved how everything performed. Really, really gentle on the eyes. You know the drill, in my 40s, and so I need shadows that are not dragging and tugging across my skin or drying them out or doing any of that. I need it to be a seamless application with both the brushes and the products, and they blended out really easily and smoothly. So I'm really, really happy with the finished look. And all 6 work beautifully together. Now, I'm probably not gonna use all 6 all the time, but they do work seamlessly together, so you can find a place for the 6 different shades. And I'm just really happy with this. Really, really pretty. And I just wanted to mention, I'm using my Hakuhodo brushes for the first time. These eye brushes were perfect complements to this shadow, got me in and out easily. Okay, so I talked about it for a sec, and so this is the little, I don't remember if I showed you. This is the little pin that we use to take the palettes in and out. So what I'm gonna do is take the eyeshadow palette out the case, push it into this little hole here. It lifts it up. See, lifts it up, and then I'm just gonna pop it out with my fingers, okay? Super simple switch, okay? So now I'm just gonna put La Palette, the blush and highlighter palette in here, exchange it, and look at this beaut. I got Prive, So Prive, okay? Beautiful, beautiful face palette, really. These colors are so beautiful, and as you can see, the design is the same on the 2 outside ones as the eyeshadows, so there's some uniformity there. Very, very beautiful. I'm excited to try these out. There are 3 of them. I do think the rose eyeshadow palettes in my future, and narrowing this cheek palette down too was also like, what am I gonna do? So another one might be in my future too, because the colors are really, really beautiful. Let's see what they're saying about this. So Prive features a pair of satin berry pink and tawny rose blushes with an intense gold highlighter for an enhanced colored glow. Okay, so let me get the cheeks together. We'll put one on this side, one on the other, and then we'll put the highlighter on both. And I'll go in very slowly with the highlighter because they said intense, so let's take it slowly. I almost forgot about swatches. So here's the more berry color, here's that tawny rose, and then the gold. They swatched like butter. I cannot wait to get these on the cheek. I'm gonna go in slow because they are pigmented. I will do the berry cheek color here, and then that rosy color here, but these are the shades from La Palette blush and highlighter refill. Excited. Gorgeous, gorgeous blushes. This was a case of getting the right brush though. I have to say the first brush I tried, the bristles were a little too soft and I didn't pick up enough product for me. So I switched brushes during the first cheek. I used the same brush on both cheeks. So here's the berry color, very, very pretty, really, really, you can build it up as you like. I didn't want to go any further than this, very pretty. And then this is the rose side. And if you go in lightly with this highlighter, it's really, 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 really beautiful, but it's super pigmented. So start slow and build it up. But I love how seamless it looks with the blushes on both sides, okay? So they meld into each other really, really nicely. There's a nice glow in the cheek area that I'm really, really digging. Happy. Okay, so let's end it with this Christian Louboutin lipstick, okay? This is my first lipstick and I'm excited. Black box, very chic. Very dramatic, okay? We have, this is what's inside, Once you pull it out, there's like a shoestring here. I don't know if I'm meant to wear this like I just won an award, and you tie it around your neck like a necklace. This thing is weighted, it is heavy, it is substantial, okay? So that's how it comes. Okay, so I took the string off, here it is, and My Nude is the name of this shade. I do love my nude shades, and here they are, here it is. It's a beautiful shade. It's like a mauve-y color. It's giving me mauve-y brown, really, really pretty color that I'm excited to try on my lips. And the name of the shade is on the actual box, so it's not on the individual bullet, but you're probably gonna store this in here, so you should be okay. Okay, it's here. So let's get this on the lips. So this is a very nude color on me because of the color of my lips. Some of that purple in the mauve doesn't show up. So it's the kind of shade that I'm definitely going to need a lip liner with, which is okay, but I did want to mention that it is very creamy. I do like the formula, but this needs just a little bit of a color. So the lip liner gave the lips a little bit more life, but there is a place for nude. I have a lot of nude lipsticks. I love my nude lipsticks, but I will try another Louboutin lipstick in the future with a bit more vibrancy, but I do think this is a nice shade, and I have options with lip liners, that's for sure, because I almost reached for my dark brown one, but went with the berry one in the end. So yes, love the formula, love how creamy it feels. So excited about these eyeshadows and the cheek palette. Just a really lovely, lovely job without anything being too overpowering, not too much. Really beautiful formulas on the skin, so I'm excited, and I want to know what other people are thinking. Did you get anything from this collection? Are you planning to get something from this collection? This is a luxury brand, and I don't know if the cost is giving people pause, but let me know down below what your thoughts are on this new Christian Louboutin release. I'm really excited to hear, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it when you do. As always, if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, satin line beanies, t-shirt hair towel wraps, satin line knit beanies, and other linen and silk hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.